Hello my friends, it's Paul once again. Tonight's experiment is going to be a bath water session once again, but I'm also going to do a water scrying session with the washing up bowl whilst I'm recording the bath, just to see if we get any communication. So without further ado, let's have a go, shall we? If there's anybody here from the world of spirit who can come close, please do. Please come and talk to us. I come in peace and light as always. If there's anybody here from the world of spirit who can come close, please do. Please come and talk to us. I come in peace and light as always. You can show yourself for me, please, in this bowl of water. I'd be very grateful. Show me your face, what you look like. Can you tell me how many people are here tonight, please? Come forward, come show yourselves in the water, please. I'd like to ask you a couple of questions, friends. I may have even asked you before. Can you tell me if you're always hanging about here, or do you just arrive when we do a session? Yes and no answers would be great. Is this the case that when I do a session, I somehow encroach on your world? So you may be going about your business, and here's little me interrupting you. Is this the case? Yes or no, please? Could you also tell me if, where you are, if you're actually in this house and this room, or are you in a different type of place within the spirit world? When I do these sessions, do you know previously how I'm going to do it? Are you aware of it, or do you just know as soon as I start? sometimes you people get quite angry and you swear a lot. I mean, I swear a lot anyway, but you seem to be really angry and sometimes quite nasty. Is that because I'm somehow encroaching in your life? Am I butting in on your side of things? Maybe without permission. I like finding out facts, so if there's anything you would like to share with me, please go ahead. We have lots of people that watch our videos. Is there anything you'd like to share with them? One of the big things at the moment here on Earth is the fact that Russia has started playing silly buggers. They've invaded Ukraine and they're threatening to fire off nuclear weapons. But likewise, so has North Korea. Can you tell me if the Earth will be okay, or are we going to all end up dead because of a nuclear war? Is this something you're privy to? If so, could you share it with us, please? Is it possible for you to tell me who's here tonight with me? Could you give me your names? One final question I'd like to ask you, please, my friends. Do you remember when you passed over? You do know that you have passed, obviously. Do you remember anything about it? Okay. Many thanks once again. Speak to you again soon, my friends. Hopefully. Thank you very much.